Okay, so I'm gonna ask him to back off the halter. I want my thumb down and I'm gonna grab underneath the knot area. So I'm just gonna squeeze and wiggle and wait for him to lean or step back. There you go, here's one. He leaned. 2. And I'm not trying to push him back. I'm waiting for him to find it. It could be any one of his 4 feet. Eventually, though, we want him to be leading with his hind. That's 4, 5, he leaned. 6, 7, 8. Again, I'm not pushing him back, I'm waiting for him to find it. Just try to squeeze to make him a little bit more comfortable. I'm gonna switch sides with my arm. Come on, Gene. Gene is there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you see, as I'm going, I'm having to squeeze less. 19, he leaned. 20. So we did that 30 times today. This is the first day of working with that. It's a refresher. He does know it, but I haven't done it for a long time. So shamer refresher course on backing up.